Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 11th of January 2026 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 16th. Now, the max OI level is higher for CE, which is positive. The quantity is high for CE, which is positive. The change in quantity is higher for CE, which is positive. And the short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive. The PCR is above, has decreased, which is positive, although, you could even call this a neutral because, it is still above 1. But yeah, that's that. Implied volatility is lower, so that's positive, and so is historical volatility, that's also positive. RSI is lower, that's negative. There is a divergence, that's negative. MACD is negative. DMI is positive. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. Pivot point is higher, that's positive, and the candlestick is neutral. Let me change this. The current support is 6950, and the current resistance is 7,000. And the overall prediction is that the S&P 500 will go up. Now, thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.